FAS-made Gutsy Bayans, and we'd like to extend our thanks to our team members who couldn't make it here today, Andrew and Ralph. We think they would have enjoyed it.
Okay, the last chance for this 2011 round to show what you know or don't know about the trivia. Are we ready? Toss-up question number 1. What term describes the basic behavioral response of an individual parasite or predator to changing densities of the host prey? Sims, UC Davis.
Numerical response.
That is incorrect. University of Hawaii.
The functional response?
He didn't bring in, he's not recognized. You guys are out.
So, the rules, according to the rules, you have to be recognized. I know you're very excited to be able to give us the answer, but rules. Yes, you were right.
-5 plus 10.
The -5 happens when they, buzz on the interruption. They're being penalized now. Okay, next question.
That was an interruption.
It's not an interruption.
That's what I'm saying. They don't get any points. No, that's,
What did they just
No, I have 2.5 points.
no.
Oh, okay. I thought it was only on the
Thank you. I was trying to say that if it was an interruption, they'd have lost -5. So thank you. Toss-up question number 2. No talking between you. What is Wasmanian mimicry? Censor? Davis?
When a parasite mimics its host.
That is incorrect. Down.
It's an insect that's a mimic of a social insect and lives in colony of social insect.
Judges?
Close but no.
Close, but no. So, Dad, you want to tell them what it is? Audience? So when you have organisms that live with ants, resemble their hosts either, chemically, visually, or some other combination, and thus prevent host attack. Toss-up question number 3. What is the vector of Q fever? Ivan?
Simulians, platforms?
That is incorrect. Shiromi?
The deer tick?
Judges, may we have your decision?
Yes.
Yes?
Correct. Okay.
It says it takes. Bonus question for UC Davis. Name the gold level sustaining sponsors for the Pacific branch of the ESA for 2011-2012.
How many?
These.
Oh, the. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
The gold level. No, sorry.
I'm
Okay.
sorry. There's a sign right there with the answers.
Oh.
I just looked over. And so I didn't really I'm so surreal. Like,
We should throw it out.
wait, I know.
We should throw it
We
out.
got 10 points for the evidence.
We're not doing it honestly.
Throw it out.
It's interesting when I said the, yeah, that was wrong too, because the means only one, because it means the gold level. So I don't know how we
Usually
phrase
they
it differently.
specify a number. That's all.
Go to bonus 2.
Yeah, we're going to number 2. This is under the category of famous entomologists. This entomologist was born in England in 1866. In 1891, shortly after obtaining his degree in natural sciences, he was asked by the Royal Society and the British Association for the Advancement of Science to survey the land fauna of the Hawaiian Islands. He voyaged to Hawaii and spent almost 10 years collecting and describing the Hawaiian fauna, with emphasis on the insects and birds. You with me? During the period in which he collected, vast changes took place in the Hawaiian landscape due to agriculture and invasive species, and many of the species collected by him have not been collected since, presumably because they were extinct shortly thereafter. He himself predicted these extinctions. Obviously, he described nearly 900 endemic Hawaiian species from many different orders, and many additional species were described from his collections by other workers. The compendium Fauna Hawaiiensis, which began to be published in 1899, was largely a product of his surveys. Who is this entomologist?
Could you repeat the question?
This entomologist. Shalomi? Oh.
Cook?
How about the University of Hawaii take a shot at it? What? They're just for fun.
They don't kill them. I'm taking your beers away.
Sorry, no points. Ready? Toss-up question number 4. What are the 6 levels of acute oral toxicity of pesticides? No, guess. Audience? Not just too late. Time is up. Audience?
Dead, super dead.
6 levels. Extremely toxic, highly toxic, moderately toxic, slightly toxic, practically non-toxic, relatively harmless. Toss-up question number 5. I haven't seen this kind of question before. It's called a multiple choice question. Larval dipterans use a combination of telescoping segments and peristaltic contractions to crawl. This motion is approximately how much more energetically expensive than the movement of a similarly sized caterpillar? Is it A, 2, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 8 times more energetically expensive? Ivan?
6 times.
That is incorrect. Censor?
B. 4.
That is correct. This is one of those where you shouldn't be the first to buzz, in case you're wrong. Who is the 2011 winner of the John Henry Comstock Award for the Pacific Branch, and where is he a graduate student? Since?
Casey Butler, UC Riverside.
That is correct. Just waiting for the next question. Number 6. What orders of insects are all, for which all members are secondarily actors? Audience?
They're accurate. I didn't, yeah, how many did you want? Or did you just make the B?
There's 4, yeah, that's a good point. There's 4 listed here. But there's many.
Where the all of us are accurate?
What orders of insects? So all.
So all of them.
Secondarily actors.
Cycnoptera, they're accurate.
Gryllobrettoidea,
Oh, yeah.
and Plasmatoidea, Cycnoptera.
I know, I forget this.
You're welcome to send me your comments on which questions should be thrown out for next year. Also send me new questions. If you don't like these questions, let's get some new ones. Toss-up question number 7. What is the IR4 program? Shlomi, Davis?
It's a method to reduce insecticide or insect resistance in plants.
Interesting try, but that is incorrect. Audience? Sorry, the other side, right? This is the toss-up. Hawaii? Audience?
Residue crop analysis for specialty crops.
Minor crops. So they have a special program for minor crops so that you can do the residue trials, get the federal tolerances. Toss-up question number 8. A diminished response to a stimulus after repeated exposures with no relevant consequences or associations is termed what? Ivan?
Habituation.
That is correct. 10 points. Bonus question. Who is a representative to the governing board for the Pacific Branch currently? Ivan?
We're going to go with Lockhart.
He's the president. I guess Davis knows this one. No? Ooh, you're in trouble. Audience? Mike Corella. Wait till I tell them. Several ecologists have argued that evidence for competition among phytophagous insects is rare because past competition has shaped genotypes to limit competition and resource exploitation. What is the name of this non-falsifiable hypothesis? Censor UC Davis?
Niche partitioning? Niche partitioning?
That is incorrect. University of Hawaii? Audience?
The world is green.
The world of what?
The ghost of the competition past? Like I said, send me your question. Just a question.
What was the answer?
The ghost.
Oh, yeah, was serious? I thought you were
Trivia. It is trivia.
I like it.
Don't worry, you still get the degrees. You probably will get it because you don't know. Okay, Dawson, question number 10. For what type of insect would one use dipping to test pesticide toxicity? Shalomi Davis?
An aquatic insect?
Incorrect. Ivan?
Pests of humans and livestock.
Incorrect. Audience?
Dipteries?
The answer I have is Dipterus larvae. So, Joseph, question number 11. Within 5 centimeters per second, what is the maximum walking speed of a cockroach? Shalomi Davis?
70?
That is incorrect. University of Hawaii? Ivan?
95 miles per hour.
I couldn't even tell you. It's something we all want to know, right? You were so close. 80. Okay, make a note of that and check that later. Toss-up question number 12. When a white, can we have slide number 1?
Kind of white? Is that Damn. Whoops.
We can see number 9.
I'm going on, working on that.
Okay. The insects depicted in the slide are considered economic pests. Give me the common name or the scientific name and the family of this pest. Ivan?
Red palm weevil.
That is correct. 10 points. Where are we? Bonus question for University of Hawaii. It's in that category of famous entomologists. Do you mind I really feel like this is Jeopardy or something. Famous entomologist. Born in England in 1844, this systematus made a career as a priest, but had become interested in entomology at a young age, published scientific articles, and was the editor of the Entomologist's Monthly magazine. In 1876, he was transferred to Honolulu, where he was a senior priest and chaplain to the bishop at the Church of Hawaii. He spent 6 years in Hawaii and collected extensively on the island of Oahu, and is considered the first resident entomologist in Hawaii, sending a steady stream of specimens to the British Museum in London. He described many Hawaiian insects and is more than Ivan.
We're just going to go with blackbird.
You're correct. Thank you. There were at least another 5 lines. So from all of us. Toss-up question number 13. What is the state insect of Hawaii? LeBlanc?
Kamehameha butterfly.
That is correct. Thank you. Just luck of the draw. Bonus question. The state of Hawaii is the federally listed endangered species capital of the United States, with more endangered species of plants and animals than any other state. Currently, how many and which orders of insects in Hawaii have at least one endangered species? Ivan?
Odonata, Lepidoptera, and Diptera.
That is correct. 10 points. Toss-up question number 14. Name the family and common name of the insect pest of honeybee colonies present in the United States since 1996, but first found to be established in Hawaii in 2010. Censor Davis.
It's the small hive beetle.
That is correct. 10 points. Bonus question? I think this is the bonus question this time. What insects were brought to Hawaii by the colonizing Polynesians?
All.
Is it time? Davis, can we have your answer? Shalomi?
The ants. And most of the others.
Those from Hawaii? Anybody?
Body lice.
Body lice.
Probably.
Toss-up question number 15.
What was the answer?
Oh, the answer, yes, it was
Body lice?
headed by pubic. Number 15. Now's the opportunity to show their knowledge. Give the term for the level of damage to a crop that equals in value the cost of suppressive measures? Sims, Davis?
The economic injury level.
That is correct. Question, right, for UC Davis. What was the first Hawaiian insect added to the endangered species list? Shalomi, UC Davis.
The Waikoloa bug?
Good try. Incorrect. It is a bonus question, so you want to try? The Medical blackbird. The blackbirds think smart. We are tied at 50-50. I'm stressed. Are we ready? What is the genus of the causative agent of dog heartworm? Audience? Dinofilaria. Okay, so now we need sudden death costume.